Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of When We're How Lifestyle Red Lip Fashion with me, your host Tiffany. So this video, this is part 2. That's 4. So this is part 2 of cleaning out my closet. If you have not seen part 1, definitely look at part 1 first. So part 1 was pretty much me taking out all of my summer stuff from my closet and putting in, or just taking everything out, purging, getting rid of stuff. I did a giveaway, so if you want any of those items, definitely DM me, text me if you have my number, call me, whatever, for those items. So this is part 2. So now I went ahead and did the dirty work, went underneath my bed and into storage, took everything that was fall and winter, took it out. So now we're gonna kind of go through it together and maybe purge and get rid of a few things at the same time. And then I have to still do everything that's in my ottoman and still just check out storage and just see what's in storage, just in case. Then part 3 is most likely gonna be jackets and coats and blazers, because I have so much. I just have way too much stuff, way too much clothes, and I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. I need to purge, and just things that I know I'm really not gonna wear. I have a problem with doing that. Like, I'll just buy something because I really like it, and there's times where I know I'm really not gonna wear it. I'll just hold on to it for like a year and then I'll give it away. So this is the time for me to do that. Usually I like to do that in between seasons when I'm changing out my closet. So I have here all of my stuff that was underneath the bed in storage, that I took out, and I already packed all the summer stuff away, all those dresses, everything. I already packed it. I put it away, I put it in storage, put it under the bed. So now this is stuff that we have to go through together. Let's do it together and let's figure out what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. So first, I have my cardigan. I had this, I just bought this last year, so this is still pretty new. So I'm probably still gonna keep this. This is the Zara cardigan that I got from Century 21, which is now going out of business. So guys, if you wanna check it out, definitely check it out. I still haven't been yet because the lines are just a little too crazy for me. I can't do lines, but definitely check it out. And then this is, you guys remember this? This is my sweater. When I did the video, one sweater. And I love this sweater. I got it from H&M. So I just got this last year. I'm going to definitely hold on to it again. Wear it again for this year. And it's fun. It's like, you know, bright and yellow, just like the orange cardigan. If you haven't seen that video, definitely check that video out as well. So I have a few like dresses. And there's some things that I know I definitely have to give away and I'm not going to keep. First thing is, so this is, it's a little wrinkled because it was under the bed, but my BB dress that I got from BB like 10 years, maybe even more than 10 years ago. And I can tell you how old it is. This is a BB small, and Tiffany has not been a BB small in like 15 years. So this dress, I'm holding on to it for what? I don't know. So if you want it, I wore it like twice to like 2 events. I barely wore it. If you want it, please, please, please tell me and you can have it. I'm never gonna wear this dress. It's over. Like, Tiffany, I am, you know, my size is large, but it's over for this. This is never going back on. So we're getting rid of that. So this, I'm trying to figure out if I still want to keep them. So these are a pair of faux leather shorts that I got from H&M probably like 8 years ago. I wore them one time. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to keep them. So I am going to try to do some looks with them. Maybe I'll do a video and, you know, maybe we can figure it out together. So these we're going to still think about. So I have this wool skirt that I got from Marshall's one time, and I accidentally, I don't know how it got in the laundry, but it got in the laundry and I washed it. So it's over, like I cannot get in it. So if you want it, you can have it. It's a medium, but you gotta be like really tiny, like no butt, no legs, no nothing. I don't really have that many friends with that, so I don't know who's gonna want this, but if you want it, please take it, because I have no use for it. So someone actually gave me this dress, but it actually doesn't fit. So it's an H&M velvet dress with the back out. So my friend actually gave it to me because I think she said it was a little too big for her. So it's actually a little too big for me. So it is a H&M 14. If you would like it, please definitely take it, because I don't want to, you know, throw it out. I know there's someone that can be of use for it. Then I have my Zara suede pants that I probably wore one time, and I really don't want them anymore. So if you do want them, they are black. They are a size Zara large. Definitely hit me up if you want them. Let's do the giveaways now, guys, because let's get to it. And then I also have this H&M dress that's a size 4. That is so sexy. It's a little wrinkled because it was underneath, but it's so amazing. I love this dress, but I cannot get in this dress anymore. It's over. But I definitely want someone to have it so they can like wear it on date night. It's so sexy. It sits on the hips. It's amazing. So definitely contact me if you want it. So definitely keeping this guy. You guys remember I did a video with this guy. I think this was like the Valentine's Day dress. Keeping it because I think I only wore it once. Then I have my favorite H&M dress with the sleeves that have a slit in them. So I think I only got to wear this dress like once because I got it last fall. Yeah, I think I only got to wear it like once. So I'm definitely keeping this because I have plans for this. If anything opens, who knows. I have my Forever 21 velvet red flare pants. I don't think I've worn these yet. I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear them, but we'll just keep it for now. So this sweater I think I'm actually gonna give away. This is an H&M kind of like, it's like an oversized 3/4 sleeve white sweater, but it doesn't sit well on me. I don't think I want it anymore. But I think I'm just gonna throw it out because you know how white is, guys. It doesn't really pass down well. So I mean, we pretty much just have a lot of sweaters. I got a lot of sweaters, and I actually don't even wear most of these sweaters. So I need to like get rid of sweaters. I need to buy more sweaters, and my style changes so often. So there's like this sweater from H&M that I got a couple of years ago. I'm probably never gonna wear this anymore. It's cute. If you want it, definitely hit me up. You can have it. What size is it? It's an H&M medium. So I think I did a video with this dress, a Forever 21, just a basic midi dress, long sleeve. You know I love the color. And then I have a good church dress. Has a little long sleeve. It got a little bit of a slit, if you can see. It's got a little bit of a slit, but it's still appropriate for church. Whenever, you know, we can go back to church and dress like that. I have this is probably garbage. This flimsy little faux leather dress here that I probably got from like Rainbow or something on 3rd Avenue. It fits great though. Let's think about it. We'll think about it. So I actually have this Denim and Supply shirt by Ralph Lauren that I bought, and I never wore it. And I only bought it because, you know, I have a flannel obsession. But the difference with this is that it has like this velvet collar that I thought was so sexy. But I'm just like, I've never worn it, and I actually want to give it away. So if someone wants it, like I can totally, it's a large. If anyone wants it, I can totally like see, like you wear it and then you have like a really nice chain to wear around it so that the velvet sticks out. You can totally have it. So I have like, I'm always shopping in my aunt's closet because she has like all the great, you know, 80s, 70s stuff. And I remember going through her closet and getting this white blouse. But if you look at the detail, it has like these, you know, oh, it's so beautiful, this applique, this pearl applique on it. And I cannot wait to wear this. It has shoulder pads. It's great. So I'm just trying to find an outfit to wear this with. I think it's super fun. I just have a bunch of pants, but we can keep those. So I have this dress that I bought from, I think, Pretty Little Things. Still has a tag on it. Never wore it. And if anyone wants it, they can have it. I actually don't even want it, honestly. I don't like the way the color sits on me. It's weird. It's kind of, because it's like kind of red but kind of orangey, if you can tell. I'm just not crazy about it. So if you want it, you can have it. Definitely hit me up. So I have this oversized sweater dress. I think I've worn it in a video before, from H&M. So I think I'm gonna get one more year out of this, and then it's over. Because I've had it for a while and it needs to go. This is a favorite sweater dress that I have that I got from Zara a couple of years ago, maybe like 2 years ago, that I like to wear only because, you know me, I like to wear things that have phrases. So it says, in case of emergency, choose the black shoe, which is completely me. Like, I'm always in black, and I always, you know, have black shoes. So I really don't have a lot of black shoes, but I just love the phrase. So I'm keeping it. I'm gonna probably get another wear out of it. It's like a sweater dress. And then I have this other sweater dress that I've got from Forever, that I'm probably gonna do one more year, get one more year out of it, because it's a little bit more form-fitting. So it has it's a little bit more tight at the bottom, so you can really like wear it as a dress instead of it being really loose. So I'll do one more year with this, and then we'll part with that. I know I did a video one time with this two-piece suit that I got from my aunt's closet that I just love. I can't wait to wear this out. I have two Zara velour dresses that I love. One was a gift, and then one I purchased on my own. So I'm still gonna keep these. I'll get some type of use out of these. This sweater is an express sweater that was a gift from a friend of mine. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. I think I only got to wear it like twice. Then we have my favorite dress, guys. Still haven't worn it yet. We gotta find something to wear it. I gotta find somewhere to go. So I have this French Connection dress that's like really thick. I usually wear it in the winter because it's so thick and warm. It has pockets, and it's French Connection, and it's actually a French Connection 6, but it fits so well. Like, it fits me so well. So I do not want to part with this dress because I just really like it. And then I have my favorite sweater, my polka dot sweater that I like to wear. I'm keeping that. Get another wear out of that. I have this cute sweater that is like, you can wear it two ways. So you can wear it this way. It hangs off the shoulder, and you can wear it this way, but then you can also wear it this way. It has like a little knot. So if you wanted to show a little stomach, you could show a little stomach. So it's versatile, which I like. You know, I like things to be a little transitional. And then I have this H&M sweater that I usually wear around the holidays because it's just so glittery and fun. I think it's bees or mosquitoes. I don't know what it is. But it's cute, and I got it from H&M. And it's a small, but it fits really well. So guys, this is pretty much, you see a lot of stuff that I'm getting rid of. Definitely, if you see anything that you like, please hit me up. Please take it because I don't need it. I need more space to buy more stuff. So thank you. That was a quick video of cleaning out my closet part 2. Definitely, if this is your first time, don't forget to click subscribe and click the little notification bell so that you can be made aware every time I post a video. And then come back with cleaning out my closet part 3, which is going to be most likely jackets and coats and blazers, because I have a lot that I don't want and don't need, and I also just started purchasing some new jackets, so stuff has to go. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back.